The history of hurricanes in Bermuda. It is no secret that Bermuda has a long-standing relationship with hurricane. Well, in fact, kung hindi dahil sa hurricane ng 1609, ay hindi naman mapapatpat ang sea venture sa reef ng Bermuda. Kung hindi nangyari yun, ang Bermuda would have gone uncolonized for a long time. Kahit na hindi naman madalas maging direct hit ang Bermuda sa hurricane, ang isla na ito ay situated within the hurricane alley. Sabihin is the most frequent path taken by Atlantic hurricanes. Kalasan sa mga storm na dumadaan sa Bermuda from Central Atlantic or the Western Caribbean Sea before gaining the strength and making their way to the island. According to the Bermuda Weather Service, the island of Bermuda experiences on average one damaging tropical cyclone once every 6 or 7 years, with smaller, lesser system affecting the island more frequently. Kahit na laging nadadaanan ng major storm ang Bermuda, it tends to fare fairly well dahil ang mga bahay nila or mga buildings are constructed using stones versus wood. Dahil ito sa storm ng 1712, mostly sa lahat ng mga wooden structure ay nasira. Moving forward, ay nagdesisyon sila na dapat ay stones ang gamitin, making them strong and worthy to fare even the strongest of gusts. As a result, the death caused by hurricane is uncommon.